Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, just select Clock app by clicking on it. Now tap on Alarm section at the bottom next to Stopwatch. In order to add your alarm, click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then set up an hour. Now you need to click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Fridays and Wednesdays. When you're ready, click on the back button at the top left corner of your alarm pop-up. Now click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to. If you wish to, I will go with Work and click on Sound. Over here you can click on one of those ringtones. Select None option at the bottom, or click on Tones Tone over here. But you can also click on Pick a Song and select Music from your device. I will go with Songs and click on The Giving Tree. Now select the back button and tap on this switcher next to Snooze to disable or enable it. Finally click on Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. In order to switch it off, click on this green switcher. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray one. In order to edit your alarm, just click on it, make your changes, and click on Save at the top right corner or Cancel at the at the top left one. Now you can also delete your alarm by choosing Edit at the top left corner. Click on the one that you wish to get rid of. And now it's gone. When you're ready, select Done at the top right corner as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!